Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a Marvel Strike Force modded version for iOS and Android 2025. So as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and go to hexmods.com. This is a modded website with a ton of cool apps. So once we're on the site, guys, we're going to find the Marvel Strike Force, guys. So let me just go to the search bar, and I'm just going to type in Marvel Strike Force, and it should come straight up. So we're going to go ahead and press on it, press the download button, and there you go. It's going to start downloading. Now, before it downloads, you are going to do a verification. This is where you have to download 2 apps, and you have to read the instructions of the apps, and you have to complete them. So this could be run the app for 30 seconds. It could be reach level 10. It doesn't matter. So I load the verification page right here, and as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing the Marvel Strike Force mod. Now, the thing is, they're all different. So this one's run for 30 seconds. So I press tap to install, it brings me to the App Store, and I just have to download the app. Now, bear in mind, it might not say run for 30 seconds. It might say something totally different. So anyway, let's go ahead and type in Marvel Strike Force and see how gross it is. And I have the game pulled up right here. And I'm going to go to in-app purchases, and as you can see, it goes all the way up to $99 for the in-app purchases. So if you want to spend that, guys, that's your business, that's your life. But in this video, I didn't show you how to do that. I showed you how to get a Marvel Strike Force hack with unlimited resources for iOS and Android. So this actually works, guys. It's super insane. So be sure to try it out if you guys play Marvel Strike Force, because it's going to change your entire game, bro. It's so cool, and this fully works, guys. So yeah. All you gotta do basically is make sure that you complete this verification step, and you're gonna be all set. So yeah, it's pretty easy as well. So for any of you guys who are like, oh, like verification is super hard, like it's not hard. Some of the apps might be tougher, but you only have to do 2 of them. You can see right there. So you should be all set.